So we didn't get to go on our
just on
flight,
the side of the hut,
but we did actually get to
crane pots. You go to the right hand side of there.
Doubtful Sound, New Zealand.
It's a good example of
This
what's
is
underneath those buoys there.
the Southern Alps behind us, and this is Doubtful Sound. Even though it's not a sound, it's a fjord. So I finally got to see a fjord in my life. This shows you maybe.
It's a very popular place for the commercial crayfishermen to gather.
So,
and just coming into the view there,
you
can
go.
see a helicopter there.
It's the
Up on the helicopter
Kiwi
pad.
naval ensign, which I've fallen in love with. But yeah, this is beautiful.
That's the plan and some people to travel on the Miss Ekaroa boat there. It's a private boat. I think it's the Centre who's owned it. The helicopter pad there, it's the crayfishermen, they can fly their crayfish out of here. They can be in another country within 48 hours. Now back here they use the hut here as a good time to do repairs on their boat or cray pots or ropes. You can see a lot of ropes inside the hut there. Nice and safe, calm waters in here to repair anything that's damaged out in the rough ocean, out in the Tasman Sea. Now these commercial crayfishermen, they can own or lease quota between 3 to 19 tonne. It's quite a lucrative business to be in. It's worth about $500,000 per tonne.
Getting water in the face, so I'll cut this off now.
You're probably wondering what is a hut doing in a national park, because